Imagine a world where cow burps are a major climate villain. Yes, you heard it right. Cows, with their four stomachs, produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas, when they digest food. This methane is 25 times more effective at trapping heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide. Surprisingly, livestock emissions account for about 14% of all human-induced greenhouse gases. So, next time you see a cow, remember its burp is more than just a funny sound. It's a tiny climate changer. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us and learn more quirky facts.